there, boys and girls. Welcome to grammar class. I am Miss Amy, and today I have a very exciting topic for us. Today we're going to be talking about expanding sentences. Expanding sentences. Now here is a word, expand. You might be wondering, what does expand mean? Now, when we talk about expanding, it means to make something bigger, to make it wider, to enlarge it. Okay? That is what expand means. Now, we are going to make sentences longer and bigger today. Doesn't that sound exciting? Okay, so let's begin. We can expand the sentence by adding adjectives, which is used to describe the nouns in the sentence. Adjectives are used to describe nouns. So let's take a look at this sentence. It says the cake is on the table. The cake is on the table. The nouns in that sentence are cake and table. So we can add or we can use an adjective to describe these nouns. So the cake is on the table. Now that is a very plain sentence. We do not get too much of information from that sentence. So if we say the delicious cake is on the small table, that gives us more information about the cake and where the cake is found. If we add delicious to describe cake and we add small to describe table, now we know that the cake is a delicious cake. It's a yummy cake. It's very tasty. And the cake can be found on the small table. Not the big table, but the small table. So by adding adjectives in this sentence, we get more information about the subject of the sentence. Okay, boys and girls? So one way of expanding a sentence is by adding adjectives. Now I have another way that we can expand a sentence. Another way that we can expand a sentence is by adding adverbs. Now, what are adverbs, boys and girls? Adverbs are words that describe a verb. It tells how the action was done. Now, if the sentence has a verb in it, then we can add an adverb to describe that verb, and in that way we add more information in the sentence. For example, the boy played with his toy. So we have a verb in this sentence. Can you identify the verb in the sentence? The verb in this sentence is played. Now we can add a word that will describe or that will tell us how the boy played with the toy. So we can say the boy carefully played with his toy. So that word there, carefully, is an adverb because it is telling us how the action was done. So let us take a look at the sentence again. So now we have the boy carefully played with his toy. So a few minutes ago, you heard me say that we can add adjectives to expand a sentence. and we use adjectives to describe the nouns in the sentence. Can you see the nouns in this sentence? The nouns are boy and toy. Very good. Boy and toy. So let's add an adjective to describe the boy. We can say the quiet boy, or the smart boy, or the little boy. See how many adjectives we can use to describe this noun? Now, we can say the quiet boy carefully played with his. Let's use an adjective to describe this toy now. We can say squeaky toy. The quiet boy carefully played with his squeaky toy. Now take a look at this sentence, and now take a look at the sentence that we started off with. The boy played with his toy. See how many more things we can learn about the boy and his toy when we expand the sentence. So by expanding a sentence, boys and girls, we can learn more about the subject of the sentence, and we can get more information in the sentence. Okay? So, to expand a sentence, we can add an adjective or an adverb. Alright? Now take a look at this sentence. My dog barks. My dog barks. The sentence is very short, and there isn't much information in this sentence. But if I say, my playful dog barks loudly, now we know what kind of dog it is. It is a playful dog. And how does this dog barks? This dog barks loudly. So, my playful dog barks loudly. So now we know that the dog is playful and the dog barks loudly. So once again, boys and girls, you can see by expanding a sentence, we get more information in the sentence. Now take a look at this sentence. The rain is falling. The rain is falling. Now we want to make this sentence longer, to add more information in this sentence. We can say the rain is falling heavily. Now heavily there would tell us how the action is being done. The rain is falling heavily. Okay? Now I have one more sentence for us. I want us to read this sentence together. So at the count of 3, you will read with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I have your purse. One more time. I have your purse. We want to expand this sentence. So we can say, I have your favorite purse. Or, I have your yellow purse. Or, I have your little purse. So we can use many adjectives here to describe the purse. By using the adjective, it is telling us exactly which purse I have for you. Okay, boys and girls? So today we learned how to expand a sentence. We expand a sentence by adding adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives are used to describe the nouns in the sentence, and adverbs are used to describe the verbs in the sentence. So until next time, boys and girls, this is Miss Amy saying goodbye, everyone.